Meeting the teacher, a guide to first impressions. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very common yet important phrase in the English language. Meet the teacher. This phrase is more than just a combination of words. It's an essential part of the educational journey. Whether you're a student, a parent, or even a teacher yourself, understanding the nuances of this phrase can greatly enhance your academic interactions. So, let's get started and unravel the layers of meaning behind Meet the Teacher. Meet the Teacher is a phrase that signifies a scheduled event or a period where students, and often their parents, have the opportunity to meet their teacher in a more personal and less formal setting than the regular classroom environment. This meeting is crucial as it sets the tone for the upcoming academic period. Key components. Meet. This implies a gathering or an introduction, often involving a conversation or interaction. The teacher refers to the educator, the person who will guide the student through their learning journey. Meeting the teacher is not just a formality. It's an opportunity for engagement and establishing a connection. Here's why it's significant. 1. Building rapport. Establishing a friendly and understanding relationship between the student, parent, and teacher. 2. Setting expectations. Discussing academic goals, classroom rules, and behavioral expectations. 3. Addressing concerns. An opportunity for students or parents to express any worries or questions regarding the academic year. A Meet the Teacher event can vary from school to school, but generally, you can expect. Introduction. The teacher will introduce themselves, sharing their background, teaching style, and what they expect from their students. Tour. A brief tour of the classroom or learning environment, showcasing where the student will learn and interact. Q&A session. A period for students and parents to ask questions and get more familiar with the academic and behavioral standards of the class. In conclusion, Meet the Teacher is more than just a phrase. It's the beginning of an educational journey, a cornerstone of the school experience. It's an opportunity to lay the foundation for a successful and collaborative academic year. Remember, a positive and proactive approach to this meeting can make a significant difference in the educational journey of a student. We hope this video has been informative and wish you the best in your Meet the Teacher experience. Happy learning, and see you next time.